Goodwill teaming up to build a new community wellness center. It's happening right here in Wichita. Hunter Health plans to build a $12 million facility. This is Central and Grove. The goal is to improve everyone's health by partnering with other organizations to provide a wide range of services. The center will also focus on financial and social issues as well that affect people's health.
Goodwill will be partnering with us to provide adult education classes, both GED and English as a second language.
Hunter Health says it's also looking for partners who will provide things like safe housing, nutritious food, and more.
Wichita